Welcome back to Oma's Musings. I'm Kathy, and this is the place where I share a little wisdom from the other side of the empty nest. Here I talk about faith, simplicity, and what it means to live intentionally in our senior years. Whether you're downsizing, decluttering, or just looking for a slower, more meaningful pace, you're in good company here. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's chat about what really matters. Have you ever watched one of your kids walk straight into a bad decision and you knew it was coming, but they didn't want to hear your advice? And then, when things unravel, guess who ends up helping clean up the mess? Yep, us. And you know what? It's not just frustrating, it's heartbreaking because we're not trying to control their lives. We love them. That's why we speak up. That's why we give advice. We want what's best for them. But they still have to walk their own path. And sometimes that path leads straight through the consequences we tried to help them avoid. And the part that really stings, those consequences often affect us too. Sometimes emotionally, sometimes financially, and sometimes we're left holding the pieces and holding back tears. I've learned that just because I can step in doesn't mean I should. So I'm going to offer a few things that help me navigate this messy middle. First, let consequences teach. That's how we all learn, right? When we touch the hot stove, when we overspend, when we trust the wrong people, as hard as it is, our adult children sometimes need to learn the hard way. It doesn't mean we stop loving. It means we let love take a different shape. Second, say your piece, then let it go. I've learned to share my thoughts once, calmly and clearly, and then stop. I don't nag, I don't guilt trip, because here's the thing. Once you say what you believe is wise and loving, you've done your part. It's between them and God now. Third, set boundaries. This one's tough, especially when their consequences start to impact our time, our energy, or even our finances. But boundaries aren't about being cold or unloving. Boundaries say, I love you, but I can't keep rescuing you. That's wisdom, and it's healthy. Fourth, pray more, fix less. I remind myself God sees, God knows. He loves them more than I do. So I bring my worries to Him. I ask Him to protect them, to guide them, to grow them. I ask Him to give me wisdom too, especially when I feel like throwing up my hands. If you're in this spot, I just want to say you're not alone. You're not a bad parent. You're a loving parent navigating the reality that our kids get to make their own choices now. So keep loving them, keep praying, and give yourself grace. You're doing the best you can with a full heart. As always, have a wonderful day and God bless you.